How to deactivate Instagram. If you wish to deactivate your Instagram account, it is very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is make sure to launch the Instagram application on our device. Then tap on the profile from the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the option called Account Center from the very top. Then from there, you want to go to the option Manage Accounts. Select the Manage button next to the Instagram account that you want to delete. After you've selected that, select the option Deactivation or Deletion. Then when you select Deactivation or Deletion, if you want to deactivate it, select Deactivate Account, then tap on Continue. After you've done that, on the next step, you have to simply enter your password, and once you enter your password, your Instagram account will be successfully deactivated. This way you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.